Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel, and this video we are going to make this mouse trap. This is really simple to make and very effective. To make this mouse trap we need just a 2x4 or any kind of like that wood or scrap piece. We need a soda bottle, we need a wire. We are going to use this hanger, and we need 3 screws and washers. Now we are going to cut the 2x4 wood pieces in two portions. One will be 2.5 inch and other will be 16 inch. You don't need exactly like 2.5 or 16 inch. You can be a little bit more longer or smaller. Once you have it ready, now time to put both pieces together. For this one we're gonna use this wire. I'm going to use this hanger. Now we will cut the straight piece from hanger, the bottom piece. We need just that straight piece. And this straight piece we are going to cut in two portions. First will be about approximately 5 inch. You can make it like 5 to 6 inch. We need just 5 inch. So I'm going to cut the first piece in 5 inch. And after cut the 5 inch piece, I'm going to make a like a half inch hook on both sides, as you can see. And then we will bend this piece from the middle, and it will be look like this. Now we are going to move on the longer piece. Longer piece we no need to cut any other size. We just gonna make a hook on one side to mount through screw on the 2x4. And once you made a hook, time to move on a bottle. First remove this plastic sticker from the top so it will be more visible for a mouse to see inside. Then we need to find the center of this bottle so we can make a hole. That's the way it's gonna hang top of the hanger wire. I'm going to use same hanger wire. I have a front sharp, so I will make a hole through the bottle. Last longer piece of wire we need to make a 90-degree angle, so we're gonna use this pencil to find the spot where we need a 90-degree angle. Then we will mount temporary. And now I just slide bottle inside the wire and just made some adjustment. After I made all the adjustment, I just tied a screw and this bottle is hanging. And the last one is this 2.5 inch piece we are going to mount. You need to find the right spot where the bottle goes down, but you don't have any gap on the front of, so mouse cannot escape. It's pretty simple to make adjustment. Once you install, you can make adjustment. That's why we have those hooks. So now it is fully ready, and you can check we don't have any gap on the front. If it's like, and this part the mouse will get inside. Once it get inside, the weight of that mouse will be dropping the bottle face to the wood piece, and it will block the front so it will never get out. So now time to place at my garage, because I have seen one in my garage, and see how long it's gonna take to catch. To attract the mouse, we're gonna put some bait inside. I just used peanut butter and some shredded cheese inside, and we're gonna slide bottle back in. Then on the open end we will put a paper clip to prevent bottle to sliding out of the wire. As you can see, I have some little bit more gap on the front. I made adjustment, and this isn't fully ready to put back in my garage. Couple days before I seen small mice in my garage. I think hopefully I will catch it. After I placing this mouse trap in my garage, I placed my YZ cam. It took me like 2 days to be best of luck for this one, because I seen him. That's the only one was there. There was not a lot hole, so that was the last one. So I recorded, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.